Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
How's the Banshee?
Fire. Tuned it a little bit.
You find gold rims for the front yet? Then I seen you on the pages.
I'll be out there.
You learn how to wheelie on the ped today too.
Yeah, I'm trying to try that.
Yeah.
The OG ped, I haven't ran that motherfucker so long.
Yups.
OG ped.
Sheesh. Alright, we just arrived at the spot that's soon to be shut down. They shut down power line, baby. You can't even see it, I should have filmed it. Damn.
That bitch.
Yup.
Oh god, hey, just take off like that. Ooh, the feet.
The bracket.
Oh, the bracket.
We got a little secret sauce here today. Yes, I do. Let me pull this puppy out real quick.
Alright, everybody know about this ped right here.
Yup.
Hey, this that one that started it all.
It's the OG piece.
Oh, you need A.
Oh, we need it. What we got here is a special air pump. I'm gonna show you guys right now, actually. AUDEW has the battery jumper that we use literally on pretty much everything. They also have this portable wireless tire pump. They have this portable tire inflator right here that you can charge and then bring with you, perfect for situations like this, because look where we are.
There's no gas pump over here.
There's no outlet.
There's no outlet.
There's no outlet. Damn, this thing's crazy. Can you see it at all? The screen on there?
Yup.
Look at that setting. Oh wait, what the? Connect the air hose to the inflator.
Really?
Press the M button first. Motorcycle, look at that. Oh, it shows a little motorcycle on it.
Oh man.
We're gonna put 30. 2. Press the OK. Oh!
Yo!
Oh!
I ain't even expected it to make.
I
don't know. Sometimes it's gonna be like a Tesla.
Damn, we rocking 9 PSI in the mop right now.
No.
Alright, you see this?
Wow.
Look. Hold on. I'll keep that on there. Okay. And then just let that thing do its thing, just like that. Alright, we're gonna cut it at 22.
Yup.
Okay.
Okay.
That's simple. That's literally it. Wow, what a great product. If I were you and I rode a moped and there was something like this, I would totally buy it. And I would go down to the description and click that link. Save money. AUDEW. Portable inflator.
Quit playing.
To go along with the scooter swap shop piece too, if it had to be done.
Portable. Then you could close it back up.
You also got a light on it in case you can't even find your valve stemmer.
Oh my god, who is this man?
And then you're off. Yups.
Yo.
Imagine you with your boys and your boy gets flat and you pull out a portable air pump. Oh, yes sir! We're out here today. Powerline Road, baby. This road is literally getting shut down now. Like, I should have filmed it when we drove. I'll film when we leave if it's not too dark. But the whole road, just big old trenches. Foot drag. That's how I keep messing up that panel. I see now, I put my foot there. I keep pushing this panel back. I gotta stop letting my right foot hit that before I mess up that panel. The 50cc wheelies. It topped out. Look at that, boys. Just the whole road's taken out. We had to go around this part right here. Ooh! She had enough power to come back up. Yup, Juan got that MOPBOYZ tee. You know where that's at. Yup. Yup, in the dirt. Okay. So bad. when I yank, I don't know if you can tell, but my calluses, bro, this one is crucial. Juan on the 150. Juan never rides mopeds. He's always on the pit bike. Yup.
You do it with that one finger, huh?
No, I do too. Yup. Okay. Pop it up and slam the brake and get used to like just come back and then just like slam the brake and bring it down.
Yeah, that's insane.
Give it like 10 more minutes. Well, I'm gonna be out here wheeling this thing, I promise. I'll tighten it one. Let go. It's been a minute since I wheelied the 150, the 4-stroke. Just gotta get used to where it is. Man. Scrape with it.
That's not funny. Hey, 50K and we're going till the tire blows. Where you from? Damn! See, girls always mess up everything, bro. So we're out here putting in work. Had a short period of time today to film, but I wanted to film a video to make sure I got a video up on Friday. I try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Put up shorts like every now and then during the week. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys would want me to upload your guys' clips of you guys doing wheelies. Maybe we'll do a subscriber submittal once a week or something where we upload subscribers video of them popping wheelies, of course, because you guys been sending me on the MOPBOYZ Instagram a bunch of rad wheelies. I see them all.
want Juan to get a moped so bad. Next time I go out with Juan, he's gonna ride this other Elite, the stroker, and I'm gonna convince him to buy a 2-stroke moped. Watch. All right, here, coaster. Ooh. Pop it up. Yup. I'm starting to see Juan drop back with it. Yup. Yup. Turn the bright right there. You see him with the MOPBOYZ tee. All right, coaster right here. Coasting. Coast. Ah! Oh my goodness. Just wait till it's a 72, baby. Oh no! You good, Juan? You good, Chief? You good, cousin?
Yep.
A little road rash? It happens.
My bad.
No, I don't give a fuck about that thing. You good?
I felt the peg.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh no, Chief.
Ooh, that felt crazy. I tried to hit the brake. I'm like, oh, it's not going, it's not stopping.
It's going downhill, man.
Ooh.
The one finger. You good?
Ooh.
Yeah?
Ooh.
Ooh, Chief. I'm sorry, man.
Ooh. I thought I hit the choker. I'm like, oh fuck, the brake is not going forward.
Jeez. You good? Ped's probably good.
That shit, I fell back. I'm like, oh. I'm like, no, hit the brake. I instantly hit the brake. I'm like, it's not going.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Well, the brake is rock hard right now, so. Oh, the brake is probably blown because I kind of said that earlier. Kickstarter brakes this time. I'll see if the brakes. The bars just got a little bent and that's it. She's good. A little more. A little more. A little more.
That cat feel weird.
That thing took a beating, dude. If that was that scooter, that shit would have been.
Oh, yeah.
It's these pegs. Lifesavers. But man, that makes me think. I don't want to drop this pretty little thing. I wish I could put. That makes me want to almost put the stroker motor, the white Elite motor, in this one, and put the 50 in the white Elite. On the elbow, back to it on the wheelies. Yeah! Hit the burnout. You gotta like, yeah, put the foot on that. It's kind of hard. Huh? One down on him. Oh man, you got cut by the peg.
Both of them.
No.
Yeah.
Oh. Damn, on the inside. Cholo out.
Cholo out.
Oh, we were looking for the damage on it. Oh, did it crack? Oh yeah, just cracked. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Look at that thing. Look at the fucking crack on it. It's actually bent just a little support. Wait, did I make those?
Did I make
cracked.
those?
I don't remember, bro. But it's cracked right there.
I hit the 12 bar, said what?
Yeah, it said scrape? No.
Oh,
Boom. This is the big old trench we were talking about.
Definitely.
You can probably jump out on the mopeds.
I'm gonna start the tunnel search now.
Damn. Ride the mopeds in there?